Have you ever felt a deep longing for something more, a sense of disconnection from the world around you? This feeling of separation is an illusion, according to the profound teachings of the Law of One. Welcome, fellow seekers of truth. Today, we embark on a journey into the profound teachings of the Law of One. These teachings remind us that we are all interconnected, all part of a single, infinite creation. This universal law offers a pathway to understanding the unity of all existence and the divine nature within each of us. The Law of One, or the raw material, is a series of philosophical texts that reveal deep spiritual truths. These texts were channeled in the early 1980s by a group seeking to understand the greater mysteries of existence. The entity known as Ra conveyed these messages, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life and the unity of creation. At its core, the Law of One teaches that there is only one consciousness, one infinite creator, and that we are all expressions of this singular source. This concept challenges our perception of individuality, urging us to see beyond the illusion of separation. Imagine, for a moment, a vast ocean. Each wave, each ripple is distinct yet intrinsically part of the same body of water. Similarly, each of us is a unique expression of the one infinite creator. Our souls, our very essence, are interconnected, woven together in a divine tapestry. This perspective invites us to shift from a mindset of separation and division to one of unity and harmony. When we recognize the divine spark within ourselves and others, we begin to act with greater compassion, love, and understanding. One of the key principles of the Law of One is the idea of service to others. Ra teaches that by serving others, we align ourselves with the flow of the universe, moving closer to our true purpose. This service can manifest in countless ways, from small acts of kindness to profound sacrifices. The intention behind our actions, the purity of our heart, is what truly matters. As we navigate our spiritual journey, the Law of One encourages us to seek balance and harmony within ourselves. This inner balance is achieved through self-awareness, meditation, and the practice of love and forgiveness. By healing our inner wounds and embracing our true nature, we contribute to the healing of the collective consciousness. Meditation is a powerful tool for connecting with the oneness of creation. Through meditation, we quiet the mind, allowing the wisdom of our higher self to emerge. It is in this stillness that we can experience the presence of the infinite creator, the source of all that is. Take a moment now to breathe deeply. Close your eyes and feel the rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in the light of the infinite creator. With each exhale, release any tension or negativity. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, embracing the unity of all existence. As you meditate, visualize a brilliant light at the center of your being. This light represents your connection to the infinite creator. See it expanding, growing brighter, until it encompasses your entire body. Feel the warmth and love of this divine light, knowing that you are a cherished part of the one creation. The Law of One also speaks to the concept of free will. Each of us is given the freedom to choose our path, to explore and learn through our experiences. This free will is a sacred gift, allowing us to grow and evolve at our own pace. The choices we make, the intentions we set, shape our journey and our understanding of the divine. In the grand tapestry of existence, every soul's journey is unique. There are no right or wrong paths, only experiences that lead us closer to the realization of our true nature. The Law of One encourages us to honor and respect the paths of others, recognizing that each person is an essential thread in the fabric of creation. As we deepen our understanding of the law of one, we begin to see the world through new eyes, the beauty of nature, the kindness of strangers, the challenges we face, all are seen as expressions of the infinite creator. This perspective fosters a sense of gratitude and reverence for life, inspiring us to live with greater purpose and intention. In moments of stillness and contemplation, we can attune ourselves to the wisdom of the law of one. Listen to the whispers of your soul, the guidance of your higher self. Trust in the divine flow of the universe, knowing that you are always supported and loved. The journey of spiritual awakening is not always easy. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. But remember, you are never alone. The infinite creator is within you, guiding you every step of the way. Embrace your journey with courage and compassion, knowing that each experience is a step towards unity consciousness. As we conclude this meditation on the law of one, take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of all life. Feel the presence of the infinite creator within you and around you. Know that you are a vital part of this divine creation, a beacon of light and love. Carry this awareness with you, letting it inform your actions and interactions. Let the principles of the law of one guide you towards a life of greater harmony, service, and love. By embodying these teachings, we contribute to the awakening of humanity, the realization of our collective divinity. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the law of one. May you continue to explore these teachings, deepening your connection to the infinite creator and the unity of all existence. Remember, you are a beautiful and essential part of this divine tapestry. Embrace your light and let it shine brightly for all to see. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your support.